आई थिंक हम ना पीआर के बारे में नहीं बोले, या पीआर के बारे में भी बोलना चाहिए था कि एवरी कंपनी हैज.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Aditi here, and I have here with me today a very dear friend, the rising star of Xavier's, a guy who can do almost anything. He's a content curator, a voiceover artist, a dancer, name it all. So I introduce you to Amin Kujor. What's up, buddy?
Everything's going great. The introduction was so flattering.
How are you doing, and what are you doing in life right now?
I am currently pursuing my PhD in media management from IIT Kharagpur, and yeah, that's about it. Life is good.
Obviously, you're an IIT now. Life will be good, right?
मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा.
I'm sure any person who is pursuing journalism and mass comm would have heard this question. बेटा कोर्स किस चीज के बारे में?
मैं क्या करेगा बाबा जान के.
Right?
I know.
So, what are the common misconceptions you think people have about journalism? Let's talk about that.
Yeah, the course mass communication is the most misunderstood course that I have ever
Definitely.
come across. So there are a lot of relatives of mine who always ask me certain questions like, अच्छा mass communication करने के बाद क्या करने वाले हो? और there are also a lot of relatives जिनका रहता है कि अच्छा मेरी शादी में तो तुम ही फोटो खींचोगे,
तो खींच मेरी फोटो, तो खींच मेरी फोटो.
तुम ही रहोगे फोटोग्राफर. तो ऐसा there are a lot of misconceptions जो होते हैं relatives के पास.
So even my parents, I remember after I graduated in literature, they said, "अच्छा बेटा अभी तो you don't know what to do. Probably take mass comm. You're a creative person. You might find something out. You'll figure something out in the future." So that was my story. And what did your parents react to you taking mass
Oh, I
comm?
can't tell you. My parents were, firstly, nobody in my entire khandan had ever heard about this course. So when I initially told them that I want to pursue mass communication, their initial reaction was like, what exactly is it about? क्या करोगे ये बन के? अच्छा न्यूज़ क्या वो न्यूज़पेपर में जाना है क्या? न्यूज़पेपर वाला चीज़ है क्या? So they weren't really aware of mass communication. Then in fact even I wasn't aware of the entire course. As the entire process of me getting into mass communication happened, I learned a lot of things. I learned about various career aspects of this course. So yeah, so slowly I understood about mass communication, what exactly it is about. So after my interview in IIT, when I came back to Ranchi, I was pretty much relaxed, thinking that I will definitely not make it, because getting into an IIT is difficult. We all know that, right?
थैंक यू बाबा जी, मेरा रिकॉर्ड टूटने से बचा लिया.
So and you know that I always have that very less self-esteem.
Oh,
which you
yeah.
always keep telling me that don't have
So
that.
when this guy came back from IIT Kharagpur, this guy called me up saying that Aditi,
I'm not gonna make
I gave the entrance, I gave the interview, but people were so smart over there, and I'm just from Ranchi,
And they actually were. They were very, very smart.
but you got in. You have to believe in yourself.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए.
For somebody who's watching this video, a person who aspires to be in this field, or a person who's already studying in this field but has no clue what to do, will you break it down about what mass comm actually means? What does this course pertain? Okay, and what are the subjects that you actually study when you get into this course?
Okay. So mass communication is basically about getting into media.
Right.
It is about communicating with the masses. So mass communication is all about that. I mean, it has various career scopes. For example, it is, the very first year when you'll get into mass communication, the first subjects that you will study is of print media. And so print media is basically about getting into newspapers, magazines and journals and writing online articles and all of that. After that, the second semester will be of electronic media, in which you will be taught about radio, television and news reading and all of that. The final year, it contains the course is very rigid. You'll be studying about documentary making and film making. So yeah, it is about that. Also, you will be taught of public relations
Yeah.
and advertising.
That was my favorite subject.
Yeah, I know
Public
that.
relations and ad was my favorite subject. So, do you think that graduating in this course is enough, or you should go for masters, or even more so PhD? What do you think?
I think if you want to get, it all depends. You know, it all depends on you. Like if you have that talent in you, then I think bachelor's is enough for you.
Don't tell me that, Mr. King, sir.
Like if you really have, I mean, it also depends on which particular field of mass communication you want to get into. Like if you want to get into news anchoring, news reading, I think bachelor's is enough for you, because it is the talent that matters. It is the oration skill, your modulation, your voice quality, the way you look. I mean, you know, how presentable you are. I think that is what matters. You don't have to go for masters for that, for sure. You know, I particularly did PhD because I wanted to get into corporate world as well as like lecturership. So for that, you have to qualify NET. That is the prime thing.
Right.
Secondly is that you have to get a PhD from a good college.
Right.
So yeah, so I want to get into lecturership, so that is why I am personally pursuing PhD. Else, yeah, masters or bachelor's course, and yeah, go on. Like,
Okay. So,
sky's the limit.
so we have a major pointer here that if you're skilled enough, if you are good with your tech department or maybe your oratory skills, bachelor's is enough. Do you think that your creativity has expanded as in when you have started, getting into this field, setting it?
Initially, when I joined mass communication, I used to edit videos in Windows Media, which is one of the most basic software that people edit their videos in. Editing my videos from Windows Movie Maker to editing videos now in Adobe Premiere Pro is a journey in
big leap.
itself. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, you will definitely be taught a lot of things. It will definitely, you will evolve in yourself for sure. So yeah, pursuing this course will definitely help you. You should definitely go for it. If you really have that talent, if you really have that skill in you, you should definitely go for it.
Okay, so also this is a bit off track, but like I want your opinion on this. Now, since people cut a lot of slack when it comes to the news industry, departments are being shelved and because of COVID and this whole situation, what do you think is the future of media as a whole in this setup?
I think media is playing a very, very vital role, a very important role. And I don't think media, I think media is one of the most like prime, I would say, fraternity which has not been shut yet. Digital is blooming these days.
That was what I was getting into.
Exactly. So digital is blooming these days. So that is why, it has not contracted our thing. It has, the only thing that it has done is expanded it more. So
कोई डाउट मत रखना दिल में.
all the teachers that have taught us, Aman, I think they have told us that we have to be patient in this field.
yeah, exactly.
Right?
I think patience is one of the most important thing that you need to have if you're pursuing this course, because it is not like jobs will be served to you, it will be catered to you right after you get graduated. Or you get post-graduated. You'll have to eventually find jobs in the fraternity. So yeah, it is a bit difficult. You have to have patience for sure.
So, if you are looking for instantaneous growth, then I don't think this
Yeah,
is the
nobody,
field.
it's not for you.
Yeah.
It's not for you.
Okay.
But apart from your net preparations, you went and gave interviews. You gave an interview at your own campus, IIT Kharagpur. So how was that like? What was the preparation? What do you actually require?
Before your interview, they also take your written examination. So that was a little nerve-wracking because I wasn't prepared for that. I was thinking that they'll only take my interview. So when I went there, then I saw that no, before that they are going to take your written exam as well. So in that written examination, they I mean, that written examination comprised of maths, it had general knowledge and English, and a bit of mass communication stuff as well.
And you know how much we both love maths, right?
Yeah, maths to will
We
get 10 on
suck
10.
at maths. People, we suck at maths.
Yeah, a disclaimer, we totally suck at maths.
एक दिन ऐसा फंसोगे ना तुम.
After that, the best part was my writing part, the article writing part. I think that is what saved me, guys. That is what saved me because
You nailed it.
yeah, so the topic that was given to me was women empowerment, and being friends with such wonderful, feminists and people like that.
वाह मस्त है यार बड़े लकी हो
So I hope this helps people who have misconceptions about this course. I hope more and more people aspire to be a journalist or pursue this course. Thank you for doing this with me.
Pleasure's all mine.
And signing off, before you go, we have our Instagram handles attached somewhere down below, and we'll see you next time.